We had the regular meeting of the Grand Rapids Economic Development Authority today. We had a great presentation from Jack Mitchell and John Hyduke regarding the Highway 35 LLC project, which of course is the canopy grow project that we hope to see come to fruition at the former Ainsworth site. As you know, that site's been empty since 2008. They plan to remodel about 250,000 square feet of that building, which is about half of the current footprint. 200,000 square feet of that would be potential grow rooms with 60,000 square foot of canopy. Jack did tell us that Kraus Anderson plans to submit their plans to the city in early April, and that he expects this to be a billion-dollar industry on day one once distribution and retail sales begin. Jack also informed us that a 30,000 square foot canopy equates to approximately $7 million in payroll. Right now, of course, the Minnesota laws are in flux. We'll see what happens as the legislature does their thing this spring, and hopefully as they work to fix these laws, we can maybe get some licensing in place late this summer or early fall.